we will need thick cardboard. Any color will do, white is fine too. On it, we draw the silhouette of a bird. We will need to cut out this silhouette. Simply cut out and also cut slots in this bird silhouette. The slots can be made with special ones, such as, if needed, scissors, or you can cut them with a knife, whatever is more convenient. One slit should be where the wing will be, the other slit should be where the bird's tail will be. You can make the slit a bit wider by making two cuts close together, so that we have the slit itself is, in this case, wider. Now, let's decorate our bird. Draw the eyes, and don't forget to do this on both sides. Also, color in the beak. For this, you can use pencils, pens, markers, or paints. Or you can glue on ready-made eyes. It's all up to your imagination. I use colorful stickers and rhinestones. Now it's time to make the wings and the tail. For this, I take an A4 sheet, fold it in half. I fold it like an accordion, and after I finished folding, I insert it into the first slot where the wings really should be. Now the wings are ready, and you can spread them out. Now we need to make the tail. For our project, I take the second part and also fold the sheet of paper like an accordion, starting from the narrow side. And this sheet folded like an accordion, I insert into the slot that we've already made in the tail area. Here I'll need some glue as well, so that I can glue it in place and it doesn't fall out. I apply glue to the inside where I'm going to attach it. And as a result, I get a cheerful, beautiful tail. Well, now our bird is ready to take off. Wishing everyone creativity and enjoyment. We need an A4 sheet of paper. We fold it in half so that the narrow sides of the sheet meet together. Then we unfold it, turn it so the wide side is facing us, and make an accordion fold. We make the accordion fold all the way to the end. Then along the line we previously folded, we cut the sheet and we end up with two identical halves. We need to glue them together. We glue them by applying glue, but not all the way, only about 2/3 of the strip. 1/3 of the strip should be left unglued, so we don't put glue there. Press it down well to make sure it sticks. Now we need to make the head. This is for we are making an angel. For this, we need a strip about 1 centimeter wide and about 12 centimeters long. We fold it in half, bend the ends, and form a circle from the strip, gluing the tips together. Next, we will need to create another element, precisely like this one, but this new element will feature a significantly larger diameter circle. To do this, we take another strip of paper, also carefully fold it precisely in half, then gently bend the ends, meticulously form a perfect circle from the central part, and then carefully attach this newly formed element to our very first element, which is the small initial circle. We then apply a small amount of glue exactly where the ends meet and securely glue these two distinct pieces together. This thoughtful process ultimately gives us a distinct head and a beautiful ethereal halo positioned gracefully above it. Now we take the main body, the main part of our craft, spread apart the unglued section, and fold the accordion in different directions. This way, we form the wings of our angel. We carefully and precisely glue these delicate wings to the main body of the aircraft on both sides, meticulously applying a strong adhesive glue inside the designated area, specifically between the structural strips, ensuring a secure and lasting bond. And then we carefully take our head and gently insert it into the designated slot, precisely positioned between the various parts. First, carefully apply a small amount of glue to the very ends of the paper strips, then gently insert them into the designated slot, and finally securely fasten them by firmly pressing the paper with your fingers. Just like this. Now we have an angel. You can make it more delicate. For that, we need scissors. The scissors should be sturdy and good, so they can cut through the thick layer of paper. We make cuts in the shape of diamonds and triangles, and when we open up the angel's skirt, we can see the result. The cutouts will create a beautiful pattern on the skirt. You can also beautifully decorate the angel with sparkling rhinestones by carefully attaching them to the flowing skirt, creating a truly dazzling effect. And by attaching a heart in the center, this is the delicate angel we've made